Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I will show you how to set up the nearby share function on your Honor 50 device. First you need to open the control panel, then find the nearby share function, tap and hold on it. After that you will get to the settings menu of this function. So first you need to click on enable button. After we need to configure the visibility of our device. Tap the device visibility and choose visible for everyone. Go back. Now you can change the name of your device for others. And that's all. Now you can send and transfer files using the nearby share option. So thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye. See you.